Alrighty, just a quick video on how to set up a boost tee. So I've got a faulty one here, just going to do a quick change. I can do a full tutorial later on, but I thought since I'm doing this I may as well do it. Right, so make sure you always follow your instructions, quite a quick thing. So this one has a arrow pointing, if you can see. Arrow goes to the wastegate, that's how you control the boost. Now you want your boost controller set up as close to the turbo as possible. Shorter distance, the better the response, less lag, better control. So usually I'll put small clamps on here, but for the moment just going to use these cable ties. Just a quick job, like I said, just to get us out of the shit. Now you only really want to run these if you have a boost gauge, because you can cause a lot of damage if you haven't got one. Alrighty, so you're going to need an Allen key. Alright, you've got a little grub screw. That's how you lock it into place. Alright, now you want to do this, you do just like 1 or 2 turns at a time. Alright, lock it, take a test drive, check what the boost is running at, go back, otherwise your car will go into a fail-safe or limp mode. I already know what it needs to be set at. Alright, so I set it up, lock it in place, and good to go. So if this was my first time setting it up, I will do 1 or 2 turns, drive around the block, another 1 or 2 turns until I hit my desired boost. This car can go up an extra 5 psi over factory, but some cars can only do 2 or 3 before they start going into limp mode. Alright.